Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the database and immediately making a backup so you can revert if needed. Next, locate the table or saved query in the navigation pane and open it in Datasheet or Query Design View. Once there, pick the field you want to search and enter simple criteria or use the search box for literal matches. Make sure to use wildcards like asterisk for partial matches when necessary, because that expands results without changing the underlying data. Now you move into the middle steps where precision matters. Apply filter by form when you need to combine multiple field conditions interactively. Once done, convert that filter into a saved query if you'll run it again. Alternatively, open SQL View to construct where clauses with like and wildcards or combine conditions with and, or, and in for lists. Make sure to test with a small dataset so you can verify logic before running wide searches that might be slow. To finish, run the query and review results for accuracy, then save the query or export results to Excel if you need a report. If performance lags, index the fields you search most often and compact the database to reclaim space. If nothing returns, check for mismatched data types, unexpected nulls, missing wildcards, or implicit joins filtering out rows. One quick troubleshooting tip. Duplicate the query with simplified criteria to isolate which clause removes the expected records.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.